of the profits must be, contributed towards the state education system as a mandatory as such. So this is what is necessary. And as I said to you, the PPP is very essential, collaboration is essential. As you all know very well, that the allocation of funding, percentage of the GDP is even less than 3%, sir. I have done some research on hospital efficiency. I did a project on hospital efficiency, not health, sir, hospital efficiency. Because there is a primary health, there is secondary health, there is hospital. When I took the hospital, the allocation of expenditure is less than 1.5%, sir. When all the emergency services, all patients go to the hospital, the focus is on primary health, rural health, ignoring the hospital services. So here, it is necessary that there should be increase in the budgetary provision, allocating expenditure up to 5%. This is a requirement. Of course, much has been told about the research as such. One of the important observations in these years, particularly for the past 5 years, the UGC has been very liberal. CSIR has been very liberal. Non-net fellowship has been introduced in science departments, in other social science departments. Net fellowship has been introduced. JRF fellowship has been introduced. Rajiv Gandhi fellowship, Maulana Azad fellowship. Yeah, I know, sir. So when there are number of fellowships available, I would like to suggest that the EC, the Executive Council, or that of the Academic Senate should nominate each department 2 persons from the government agencies to review what is the research work being undertaken and that of the and then what research to be undertaken in the interest of the state government. Otherwise, we are taking any topic and then it is becoming the library purpose thesis work as such. So a lot of promotion of research is needed. Yeah, very important point which was focused by Professor Bhargava. Here. We are talking of skill development. We are talking of national vocational qualification. The government and that of Ministry of HRD has already notified for community colleges establishment. In our state, only 3 colleges are there, sir. Out of 11 colleges, other colleges, 8 colleges have gone to Andhra, only 3 community colleges are there. They are not even in complete sense community colleges. The purpose of the community colleges is to have access to the skill development, hands-on experience of the local area, and then get the funding, particular funding facility from the Ministry of HRD. So I would recommend that this should be taken care. One of the important points is, sir has said, is accreditation. I would recommend that, from my point of view, there should be Telangana State Council of Higher Education should have 2 accreditation bodies, that is quality review and improvement program or scheme for the Telangana state. One should be for universities, one should be for affiliated colleges. Unless there is a strict accreditation, I mean quality improvement program. I'm not saying accreditation, but also quality improvement, because teachers' performance is based on confidential reports which are very simple. Last 20, I joined university in 84. I am seeing the confidential report which is slightly changed. Still the same confidential report is there. There has to be a drastic change in the performance. There has to be marks allocated. There has to be a grading. Every 6 months, every semester there should be teachers' performance evaluation. So I would recommend that the Telangana State Council should come forward. If the faculty is competent, students will be attracted. Otherwise, it is really difficult. It is not possible as such. The last few things, as alumni matter is told by Madam. I don't want to go into the details. Entrepreneurship is really very essential among the students, and entrepreneurship must be developed, and that is very essential. Yeah, these are the things. I really thank the organizers, and I would like to finally say that already points have been covered. Reimbursement. Last point. I have been seeing as a Vice Chancellor, as I'm here for the past several years, that so much of whatever fee is paid by the student, to be paid by the student, is reimbursed. They are all alumni under. కోడళ్ళు అల్లుళ్ళు ఉన్నారు అందరూ, కానీ అక్కడ అటెండెన్స్ చూస్తే అసలు 50% లేదండి అటెండెన్స్. దేర్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ స్ట్రిక్ట్ విజిలెన్స్ ఆన్ ద అటెండెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ది టీచర్ performance. This is, if the government want to improve the quality, first before sanctioning this, there should be strict guidelines for the students' attendance performance. If they are attending well, then regularly, then there will be good quality improvement. So thank you very much. I don't want to take much time. I thank Kumar Garu and others.